Hey, Alex here with Avant-Garde and 911R on Bring a Trailer. I just want to do a quick walk around video. Disclaimer, I'm no horse expert. I've ridden a few horses, but I've never owned one and I've never transported one. Nor am I well versed in these horse vans. It's more of a European thing. But it being here and it being a Porsche paint to sample color, it's kind of up our alley, right? So just a few quick things about it I wanted to point out, because this is built very well. The build quality is really nice. There's a lot of, fit and finish is done well. And there's a couple of amenities that I think that are kind of necessary and nice to have if you are transporting your horse or anything of that nature. So on the inside here, the two captain's chairs have been reupholstered. It's a pretty nice contrast with the external gray color. You also have a controller there to control the exhaust fan inside the compartment back here. Then you also have the ability to turn on the skylights that are there. You also have a monitor in there that shows you a view of behind the van, and also I'm assuming for parking reasons, and then also inside and see how your horses are doing and all that. Ramp right here comes out. It is assisted, so it's very easy to lift. It's spring loaded. It's very user friendly, I guess you could say. Then it does have a horse mat. It's nice and grippy coming up here. Then inside of here you have two skylights that pop open to get fresh air in, and paired with the exhaust fan, I believe you can circulate some good air movement in here and get fresh air in here. All the windows actually as open. Let me move this out of the way here for a second. All the windows open. It's super easy. You just pinch both sides and they go up and down. You can do, halfway or go all the way down. Once again, fit and finish is super nice. They've sealed all of the corners on the floor and the walls, and then having two drains up here makes it super easy to hose out and clean out. You have two compartments up here. It's one large compartment, but you have two doors to access it. You have a ton of space in here for storage. Then you have, we're working our way up from the top, I guess. You have the camera for the viewing back here, one exhaust fan, the second one's right here. All these partitions are adjustable and can move depending on how you want to set up the horse fan, whether you have one horse in here or two, or you can convert it. I believe it's common they convert it to a day stall, so that if you're anywhere that you need a day stall, you can do that. Just very versatile in that way. Then coming back here, you have additional storage here. There is a drain at the bottom there. You got two more drains back here. Once again, super easy to clean up, I would imagine. Everything kind of locks and goes where it needs to go. You have two saddle hooks here. I believe you can add more if you'd like. And then from there, that's pretty much it. There's a lot of additional little things that I may not be mentioning just because I'm no expert, but if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below or use the contact seller button. I'd love to get on the phone and answer any questions if you have any. And good luck with the rest of the auction.